Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter, at the workbench, making shavings. So, I wanted to ask you if you could help me figure something out. The view count on videos has been dropping. Now, I'm attributing it to school being out and vacations starting, more people going out, working in their gardens, not watching YouTube, or it could be that I just don't have anything interesting to watch. So I've got a few ideas. It's almost time to build a plane. We might also start out with something simple like how to make a box. But let me know what you think. Oh, we got a friend here. We got a friend here. Bugs are out. Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench. Another quickie, just to ask you a question. I've noticed that the view count and the watch hours are dropping on the channel. And I attribute that mostly to the fact that school is out, graduations have happened, people are going on vacations, people working in the garden, and so on and so on. It could be that they've watched all they want to watch from Walter. So we have to come up with some new, exciting content. Thumbnails like workshop explosion or whoops. No, I don't want to do clickbait. But I wouldn't mind some ideas from you all who tell me what might be going on. So that's about it for today. Just having some fun making shavings. If my knees were better, I would consider doing a hand plane marathon. Because when you think about it, at 1 to 2 thousandths of an inch, it takes a long, long time. Yep, 1,000. It takes a long time to plane down an inch of wood. So if you count with me, 1 shaving, 2 shavings, 3 shavings, 4, that's 5 thousandths of an inch. You'd have to do that 200 times to break an inch. That's about it for today. Just wanted to touch base with you and see what you think. Like, subscribe, and share. Got a couple of ideas for some good projects. I think it's time that we get away from the iron body tools and get back into my woodies and build a plane. I just have to look around and see what kind of blades I have. I have blades all over the place, but I don't want to make one with a chip breaker. I want to make one with just a single iron. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings, but not until you like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.